Every morning at 6:30, Thomas sat alone on his porch. Since losing his wife, only silence remained. One rainy morning, he found a crow, soaked, with a broken wing. He brought it in and cared for it. The crow stayed. It perched on his shoulder and tapped on his window every day. Thomas called him Shadow. After 2 years, Shadow vanished. A week later, on Thomas's 82nd birthday, he returned, holding a silver ring. Without a word, Shadow had said it all. Love needs no language, only a heart that listens. This bond was silent, but eternal.